Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to draw a stickman, a start of a basic human figure. So I'm just using a pen rather than a pencil so that I can have the control of moving around and my stickman will be like a stickman. Okay. So we know the basic proportions. Just want to remind it. We actually refer to the head count, right? So simply drawing head, and then we have if I be dividing that into, we count it as almost like 8 head, right? So one, I'm going to draw one line. So one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and I will draw one more 7. Okay, so it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more over here probably. Okay, 8. So this is the basic idea regarding the the head as being used as a reference, like the human form. So in reference to that, I'm going to draw how stickman will be looking. Look, so probably you want to extend this is just for the initial, to get an idea about how the human proportion is. So after that we won't be doing like this, we just will get used to the proportion. Okay, so maybe the first head is like that, and from the half of this, and the shoulder is like a dome. Okay, no, it's not like straight, it's something like a dome. So I want to mark the shoulder over there, and this line, okay, this should pass through the chest, the middle of the chest. So probably I'm going to give the chest like that over here, and here is pelvis, or the tummy part, and from here we're gonna start the what do you call, drawing the leg. So probably gonna extend till 2, and the rest 2 from maybe here. Okay, yeah, so this is a basic, okay, basic of the stick man. Now here it's not very perfect, but yet still I will try to maintain the proportion as it is. I hope you understood. Like one head, half of that I will start the shoulder. Okay, half of that I start the shoulder, and from this half to almost the half of this. Okay, to almost the half of this. Okay, to half of this I have drawn the torso. Okay, and from here to here there is a gap, so I'm going to keep it as like that. Maybe I will put a bit up, so that it becomes exact half of the circle. And then what happens next is that we have this pelvic area, which is exactly as that of the same dimension, or what do you call, reference as that of the head. And from here the end to the 2 head length, I'm going to draw the femur, the the thighs, and from there to here I'm going to draw the knee, the lower part of your leg. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply place something like that, which actually forms a foot. Okay, it's okay, fine, you can do whatever the way you want. But now the trickiest part, now the important thing that you need to notice while drawing a figure is that from the the elbow, I mean the shoulder. So what I will do is that almost take this reference. Okay, this reference, okay, this reference, and from here I'm going to draw the hand, and my hand will be extended till here. Okay, this point, I mean this will be the elbow. Okay, and till here my hands will be there. Okay, it will almost touches the, I mean there are different proportion. Some people have long hands, some people have short, but ideally it should be something like this. Okay, so it's like once we start drawing the leg, half of that, I mean the femur bone, half of that, the hands should be ending. So this is a basic structure of a what do you call, stick man. So you know the basic structure. Now let's see how we can actually draw a stick man. Okay, draw a stick man in various poses. Now before going towards that, I also want to show the side of the stick man, how it will be, or the basic proportion. I'm just going to extend this Okay, so whatever I'm going to do over here, I'm going to just extend this. It's not necessary that you have to draw the lines, but the lines will actually give you as a guideline. Okay, I'm keeping it as a guideline. So now if you see a person from the side view, let's also discuss about that. So the back also doesn't make any difference, it's the same. So as the front. So I'm going to take the side view. If I'm taking the side view, you know, the human head is, if I'm drawing over here, it's more or less like a egg, right? It's something like this, right? Something like this. So it's the body, I'm drawing the side view, so it will come something like this, right? So the same way, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw an egg over here, maybe in an angle, and there's a neck part. So if you see your spinal cord, if you see your spinal cord, it is having a curve, right? It's curved. So I'm gonna see, so our spinal cord will be ending somewhere over here, if I'm correct, right? It is attached to the pelvic bone, right? Over here, it's called, I forgot the name of that, but it will be coming somewhere over here, and is exactly beneath the center of the cell, right? Center of the head. So from here, I'm going to draw a curve like that. Okay, and the pelvic bone is something like this, another egg, or another head, if I be saying. And your hands will be a bit towards, not in the exact alignment, until and unless it is like attention kind of pose, but nevertheless it should be in a relaxed manner. It should be somewhere following the same line, getting this somewhere over here, and our hands will be, okay, referring to this one, knees will be somewhere like this, and will be somewhere like that, right? So this is our hand. Now what I'm going to do is that here also I'm going to place an elongated head, so that becomes a torso. And now if you see, no one stands straight. Even if people will stand straight, you can see for example, I'm going to draw a guy over here. No one will stand like this, right? No one will stand like this. There will be always a curve. If you're standing, if it is an attention pose or whatever, so there is a curve, right? This curve, so you follow that, you just observe that people actually do have a curve. And if you want to exaggerate, some people might be having a curve like this as well, especially when if they are a bit obese or something. You can just observe those kind of stuff and then add that to the human figure study, so that when you're drawing your final composition, be having a wide variety of options to, observations that you can put into your paper, right? So once this is completed, what I'm going to do is that I just from here, the feet, the legs will start from here. So I'm going to draw that, that what you call that curve, just like what over here. So it will be coming like this. So okay, and from here to, and this guy is a bit kind of like this. Okay, maybe something like that, in a line to this. Okay, so the central line actually will become something like the foot over here. Okay, so this is the basic idea of a stickman. And stickman in the sense basic proportion, if you are doing in reference to a stickman. Okay, thank you.